Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you this upgraded Vewior blender. I got it and I'm super excited to unbox it and start using it with you. Let's do that. Ooh! So this is the grinder. This is like the coffee grinder and the spices grinder. These are like the caps for the smoothies. This is the device here, and whoa, it looks really nice. Those are the smoothie cups and the smoothie to drink, like those are to drink with it. Let's see it. I feel like this upgraded one is like taller and looks really nicer. I like it. This other one is shorter, but it's also nice. Very, very, very nice. I like it. This is the max size here, and this is the cap. So once you finish blending, you just cap it like this from here, and then you start drinking from here. And what's so cool about this, of all of that, it has 4 silicone pressing from below, like suction cups, to keep it in place so it doesn't move. Look at this. It stays in place. So let's take an overview here. This is the sports water cup. This is the bottle with 17 ounces, and this is the shaker cup cap that goes with it. You can also use this to-go cap with it. This is the low cup, and this is the 10 ounces, and this is where you grind your coffee, your oats or nuts. This can grind anything you want. This is the high cup, and it's 23 ounces. This is the device, and it has the pulse, and it has 0, and it has first speed and the highest speed. The highest speed is 1200 watts. But what we first need to do is we need to lock it in place. It's on 0. So what we do is like we press it and we turn it. As you see here, it's locked in place. Choose the speed that we want. If you want to do the faster one, this is back to 0. If you want to do the pulsing one, we need to keep holding the pulsing one. This is done. And look at this, amazing. Now we can remove this base and replace it with the cover that we want. And I'm going to choose this one. Now I want to grind some oats in this little grinder, but I'm going to use this grinding head. We need to press and turn it to stay in place like this. We no longer see this here. And then we're going to choose speed number 2 to grind it, and we will see. Whoa, look at this. Amazing. You place your cover here and you start drinking. Like, it's amazing, very, very convenient.